Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anne Onye. In this video, we'll be installing a wig, guys. This is the wig that I did. I did it by myself and I posted it in this channel. But if you've not watched it, don't worry. I'll be leaving the link down below in the description box so you can go watch how I did this wig. Okay, so before we install the wig, all we need is just a wig cap. You can use any color of wig cap that you want. This is the wig cap. This is the color of the wig cap that I'll be using. Okay, so I'll be going ahead to install the wig. So earlier there was a net which I removed, and as you can see, I had to hook it to hold my hair. And here I am trying to style this wig to my taste. I will let you watch the video to see how I do that. Okay guys, so this is how the front is and this is how it looks at the back. Okay, I really love this wig so very much. I so much love the texture, the length, everything about the hair is so soft. Guys, this is a superb hair. Okay, so now as you can see, I went ahead to wet the hair. I just want to see how it's gonna look, okay, when being wet. As you can see, I still went ahead to comb this hair out and style it. Let me still leave it to see and watch how I do that. Okay guys, so this is the hair after being brushed out. How do you see this hair, guys? Which do you prefer? I would like to know your choice in the comment section. Is it when wet or when dry? Okay, I'm so much loving this hair. Like, it's so superb. I love everything about the hair. It's so soft. I love the length, everything. The color is just given. Trying to still style the hair in another different style and color. Okay, so guys, I would like you guys to tell me which I did without combing out the first one, then the second one which I brushed out, or this one. Which do you prefer? I would like you to number is the first, second, third. This is the third. Okay, the previous two is the first and second respectively. So I would like you guys to tell me in the comment section which you prefer. Is it the first one, second one, or the third one? Okay, I will see you guys in my next video. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the family. Don't forget to like and share. Comment, guys. I need your comments. If you want me to film any video, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be reading them and I will try my best to film a vlog on that. Okay, says I really appreciate if you made it to this point. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.